Can you find the ratio of area of this square to the area of this triangle? Pause the video and try for yourself in 3, 2, 1. So let's begin. Let's name the points A, B, C, D, E. Now let's draw a line passing to the center of the square. Point this name as F and join the line E and F. If the side length of this square is equal to A, then AF, FD and FE will be equal to A by 2. F equals to FD equals to EF equals to A by 2, because we know that the median of the hypotenuse, midpoint of the hypotenuse will be at equal distance from all the points of the right angle triangle. So this is A by 2, this is also A by 2, and this is also here A by 2. Now if this is 60 degree, this will be perpendicular and this will be 30 degrees. This right here is equal to 30 degree, this is 90, this is equal to 60, and this also will be equal to 30 degree. So now the area of triangle ADE will be twice of area of triangle FED. And area of this triangle FED is equal to half of FE into FD into sine 30 degree. So FE equals to A by 2, FD equals to A by 2, and sine 30 equals to 1 by 2 equals to A square by 8. And area of this square, area of square ABCD is equal to A square. So the required ratio ABCD upon ADE is equal to A square upon A square by 8. The 8 will go to the upside, so 8 is the required final answer of the ratios of the two squares and triangles. Thank you.